This is David Memon of Lotto Odds. It is February 8th, 2025. Okay, the good news is that we have released the upgrade and it is awesome and getting better. And just to let you know, right now we are working on the prediction page for here, the mobile web page. And when you pull this down here, we added a view because we added two more pages. I'm going to go through these. We had two more pages to the mobile web page, right? We're going to add a third one here that's called predictions, and it's absolutely awesome. It's going to give you numbers to play, and I'm going to make another video. I actually did make a video here previously, right, 4 days ago, but it says how to predict the next big three winner. It was technical. It was confusing for I'm sure for most people. So I'm going to delete this video. I'm going to redo this video. I'm going to have such a better layout for you. It's going to be so easy for you to understand. You're going to be able to do it yourself manually before we finish it, okay? But for the rest of you, okay, that want it automated, good news, we're going to have it automated for you. It's going to All you have to do is click a button and it'll automate this for you, and you just play the numbers. And you're going to have such few numbers to play, you're going to be able to play multiple pair sums and catch them constantly. Okay? I'm going to make another video after this. I'm going to show you. It's absolutely cool and awesome. All right, so let me just go over what we've did here, okay? Previously, you had the hit miss pair sum winner, right? We had put the view here because now we have the pair sum page, okay? That's the original that you were seeing. Then we have binary. Binary is based on the binary colors in the binary column. So we put the pair sums with the colors here. So you can see them like that, okay? So if you want to use the binary filter to remove numbers from certain colors or whatever like that. And this is good for individuals who like to play with these colors, okay? If you think a color is going to come out, you can remove the colors and you can see the numbers there for each pair sum, okay? That's helpful. Very simple. All right, next page is called the number set. This is such a simple concept. Just count the numbers. Well, look, one, right? See, one, 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 one. That they come in number sets. And here, two, two. See, two and two, two. Yeah, sets of two, two. See that? Three. See, three. One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three. See, three like that. And it goes all the way up to 11. And here is the number set column here. Okay, so if you believe, and look at this. You see how 4 hit, but it didn't repeat. 10 hit, didn't repeat. 4 hit, didn't repeat. 9 didn't. They didn't. This whole column didn't repeat. Well, guess what? Take out the 3. So if you're gonna play, okay, here you're gonna take out the 3 column here, and that's 27 numbers gone just like that. You gotta love that, especially when you isolate the pair sum. And you know how I like to play. I like to focus on a single state. I like Texas because you got 4 draws more than any state. And I like to focus on the pair sum. And I'd really like to get you to do that. I know a few people I've seen play multiple states. It's so important to focus on one state. Yeah, okay, have fun with other states, but focus on one state because each state has a rhythm, especially if they use computer algorithms. You're going to catch on to that computer algorithm rhythm. Yes, they use different cards and they'll change their algorithm, but you will catch on to that. And not only that, when they change their computer algorithm, guess what? Lotto odds will catch it. This section here, pair sum, will catch when they change their algorithms because then you'll start seeing a shift in the colors, right? A drastic shift in the colors. And it signals they just changed their algorithm. It's so cool. You gotta love it. All right, so all right, so now let me go through this again. Let me see here. What else did we add here for you? Okay. All right. So we added this, was pretty cool. L1 default and M3C. I don't know if I should call it default anymore. You guys should know about it already. It's L1 and M3C. So L1 here, this column, these two columns, this column, that column. So if you think it's going to be a hit next for L1, go hit. Turn off, miss, go like that, and you'll see a hit up there. Okay? Or if you think M3C, now you have a choice. M3C. If you think the next one's going to be a hit here, and M3C tends to hit a lot of hits. M3C tends to hit the hit right there. You just turn that off like that, and you'll see the hit right there for M3C. That's off. Okay? And then it'll reduce the numbers here. Let me go back here. I like to look at it with binary. If I do that like that, Right off the bat, takes it down to 153 you started with. Okay? Now, here you go. Put that back on there. What else? What else? You know the binary, the key. Okay, so key predicts. So for example, if you think Texas is going to hit here, is going to hit M3C, you do a hit like that, and if you think it's going to come out green right there, because green dominates, you do green there, you're down to 81 numbers like that, down to 81 numbers, and then you could go on and utilize the filters and reduce them even more. Let's see, if I take out, look, 10 hit, ooh, green hit. You could take out the whole green right there. You could go like that, take out the green. Right, you're down to 61 numbers. How about the 10 right there? Take out the 10. 10 not to repeat. Let's see, 10. Number set 10. Like that. Down to 60, but you could go more. Pair of sums, reduces pair of sums. If you think it's going to be a single, doubles hit quite a bit. You think it's going to be a singles. You're already down to 26 numbers. Killer! Killer, and you could even go further. That's why I like dealing with the pair of sums. When I do the next video, you're going to see, oh, look at this. 3, 3 back to back. You don't think 3, 3 is going to hit? Back to back. Go 1, go 2, go 4. 17 numbers. You took it down even further. You see? All right, anyway, when I'm going to do the next video, you're going to see, oh my God, the automated page when we add this on here. Just outstanding. It's going to be awesome. I'm going to show you. When I explain to you in that video how it works, you're going to see how awesome it is. All right? Now, this here column we added here, the key predict column as well, okay? The key predict column, it basically works with the key predict feature, and this is the true colors of it. Okay, so let me take you here, okay, to just show you the colors. Okay, because now people were getting confused. They thought this green and purple was the green and purple of L1 and M3C. No, no. This is a different type. This is a different type of setup and formula we're utilizing there. Okay, I see this. You don't see this. We're thinking about releasing it. We just don't want to confuse people. If they see so many numbers, they'll get confused. We want to make it very simple for you guys. But it's very simple. We just take the past 3 winners of L1, past 3 winners of M3C, right? We combine them together, and there's your keys. So simple, not difficult at all. And depending if the keys, if the keys create a pair in the number, it's purple. If it doesn't create a pair, it's only one match, it's green. So if 2 keys match the number, it's purple. If 1 key matches the number, it's green. That's simple, okay? That's why we created a 3rd column here. This is the correct. Now, we fixed it. It's the correct colors for key predict. Now, you can match it up with these, okay? With the L1 and M3C and here. And you could reduce numbers a lot, especially if you add other filters in them. Let me give you an example how much you could reduce them. Let's see here. Okay, check this out. All right, check this out. All right, let's put this like this, get it out the way a little bit so I can show you this colors here. All right, so if you did 822, if you were going out after 822, right, and with all the states, right, all the states, you're going to play all the states, which I prefer you didn't, but if you do, you put 822 and you did quick pick 1 to hit. Quick pick 1, right there, 1 right like that, with the purple. So it'd be hit, win, purple, +1, plus 822 plus 1, right? Look what you have. Yesterday I went through this. You had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wins. You had 5 wins. Your play was only $34.25. That means you only had to win once a box game, and you would have made a profit. Okay, but here won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and won $225. Okay, and you had a profit of $190.75, which is over 500%. Okay, gain, 500% increase. I mean, where do you get that kind of? Where do you get that? The stock market doesn't even give you this unless you're getting a pump or dump. Which I was, whatever. Anyway. Anyway, just a word of advice, guys. If you're going to invest in the stock market, invest only what you can lose. Okay, don't get into the hype and stuff, the FOMO, because it can burn you big time, and I've been burned in the past. But anyway, we move on. So anyway, so as you can see here, you over 500% gain. This is absolutely awesome. But also be careful because this changes. Okay, maybe next draw you have 2 wins. Maybe next draw you have 7 wins. It'll change. But if you have something like this, if you have over 500% gain, you can utilize that to absorb losses on the second draw, the third draw, whatever. Okay, and still continue to gain profit because you're not going to always have just two wins or 1 win. If you're playing all the states, you'll have like this multiple wins, and then one time you have 1 win, then one time you have 2 wins. So you need to accumulate your money where you'll be able to absorb the losses and still increase your profits, okay? And increase your pot, I should say. All right, now let me show you what the day draws were yesterday because I went through, I did testing for actually what would was it? It was the 6th and 7th. So this is all the wins. Now what I did was just this. All I did was I did the green and the purple. The miss, hit, win. That's the pattern. Miss, hit, win with purple. Okay? And it came out with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the states, I did all the states, right? It came out to 4 single wins, 2 double wins. Total prize was $300. The cost was $156.50 to play. You made a profit of $143.50, okay, which is here. See, the program will tell you on that page when you reduce numbers. When you put this pattern in, miss, hit, win, plus pink, it'll tell you, oh, it's $156.50 to play all the states, 626 numbers, and it'll give you the prize amounts if you won all of them, whatever. Okay, let's see, what else did I do? Oh yeah, here's the 7th, which is the day draw. Cost was $156.50 again. It was $225 for the profit. Excuse me, prize. It was $68.50 for the profit, and it was only 4 wins this time. 4 wins. Same pattern. Miss, hit, win, and pink, purple, like that. Okay, 2 doubles and 2 singles. I have another one for you. Let's see here. All right, so this one, let's show you here. All right, this one I missed West Virginia, Georgia, Texas, D.C. To play them. But anyway, out of that I got 3. So I don't know about those 4 states if I would have had winners, but out of that I just got 3 of this. Okay, so yeah, so it's all box numbers. Okay, so again, this turned out into a small loss. So you've hold on, was it a small loss? I don't know if it was a small loss. I don't think it was a small loss. Small loss. Small, I think it was 150. Yeah, I think it's small loss. Well, you can calculate 37.50, and then the price to play. See, it was the same one, 156. So okay, look at this. 112.50. And 44 loss. So you see, so the prior wins will cover your losses, and then you can continue to make profits. But believe me, I have something better for you. When you stick to one state, focus on one state, you're going to start getting the rhythm of that state, okay, how it comes out. And you're going to be able subconsciously be able to predict what's going to come out next. That's how I've been doing it as well. But also, what I'm going to show you in the next video is going to help greatly. It's going to actually do it for you, okay? Let me see, do I have to go anything? Oh, over here, going over this. We did, I got good news and bad news. The good news is we did connect these filters to all the states here so you can filter them down. The bad news is because there's so much data, it could freeze the page. So, and it could take such a long time to do it. Like say for example, and the more you have to filter out like these pair sums, it could not filter out and freeze. Okay, the less you have to do, for example, maybe the doubles here, like that. You click the double. All right, hold on. Should I refresh the page? Let me refresh the page. Also, I'm outside. I'm Wi-Fi outside. All right. Bear with me because I'm working on a Wi-Fi while I'm outside. Alright, here we go. Go back to Texas, love Texas. Alright, here, and click that for all the states. So I'm gonna do this, look, I'm gonna do the first one like this, okay? Doubles, it came out quick, right? Oh, sorry, you've got to go to all. You got to be all, like that. Now, click it. Now click doubles. Let's see how long it's gonna take. It's a really long delay. You know, we're going to work on that later. Here, oh, that shifted. Okay, so this one works quicker. Pair sum could freeze the page. So look, all the page, see, doubles on all of them, all the states to help you out. It would have been helpful if we could have got this to work faster with the pair sum, and then you could determine, you know, if the green or purple was overdue. Okay, and then you could play. For example, if you look at all these, right, the purple when they come out, my God, it is awesome because you see only 1, 2, 3, maybe at the most 4 purple hit, then a green will hit. So if you go through these and you see, wow, look at this one though. This state, Colorado. 1, 2. I don't like playing these smaller states. Okay, anyway, like you see something like this, 4 coming out, high probability it's going to be a green. It tends to hit all the time like that, like this. DE, next one, high probability could be a green. Again, I like those small states anyway. Look at this run, the green. All right, so it'll help you determine what to play. For example, if we're able to isolate all of these, you can do them one by one. But if we're able to isolate all of these, I say for example, I wanted to play 8-2-2, right? And I wanted to see which one was going to hit a green or a purple next. I could see which states have the high probability of 8-2-2 hitting purple next, and I could play that with, and it will come out with such few numbers, and that would be so awesome. Okay, so but these are connected to all of the charts, so we got to disconnect these so it'll be faster. So there'll be individual filters, but these on top we're going to leave for you because it was a decision whether or not we give you this filter connected to all the states or we don't. It was better that we gave you something rather than nothing. So just bear with us as we finish what we have to do, and then we'll get back to this and figure out how we're going to speed this thing up. I know when we get to Amazon's quantum cloud computing, this is going to be awesome. This is going to be no delay at all because Amazon has the quantum computer, okay, accessible to everyone. So we're going to get into that, okay, and what we'll do this simultaneously. So let me see how fast this could do because it was delaying. I get messages where it'll say, oh, look at that, it's going faster today. Oh, I guess it's got an attitude. Yesterday I was just sitting there and just would not want to, you know, wow, it's going a little faster today. Yeah, it was freezing up and it just didn't want to move. All right, let's see. Oh, look at that. Oh, better than freezing up, huh? All right, well, you've got something here. Okay, and it's going to help you out with the states. See how slow it is? But at least it's not freezing up and you can isolate these patterns for the column. All right? And that is pretty much for now to show you what we've done with it. You can practice with this. I'll do more practice videos as I go along. When I do predictions, I'm going to make videos and post them in the forum so you can follow, okay? And I'll explain it step by step, all right? All right, that's it for now, and I wish you the best of luck, and I'm going to make the second video.